Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically improve laggy editing on CapCut PC basically. So you're just going to select modify and you're going to select performance, and you are going to enable proxy editing. You can also adjust the resolution here. To just make it less laggy, you can put it up to 540p and press save. You can also go to menu and you can go back to home page, go to the settings button, go to settings, and also delete your cache files. You can auto delete them here as well, but if you select don't delete cache files, you have to do it manually. So here I'm just going to press delete and press OK, and hopefully after everything you'll be able to edit faster on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!